Apple has announced their new iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max at the Wonderlust event in Cupertino. Here's our first look at these newly launched devices. So let's get started. The new iPhone 15 Pro lineup now comes in a titanium housing with 4 color options to choose from. The iPhone 15 Pro comes in 4 storage options and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is available in 3 with 1 TB being the highest for both. These phones sport the new 3nm A17 Pro SoC and come with a refreshed camera system. iPhone 15 Pro uses a 48MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide and a 12MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, whereas the iPhone 15 Pro Max's telephoto is capable of 5x optical zoom. Both phones come equipped with a new customizable action button instead of the usual mute switch. The Pro models sport a USB 3.0 Type-C charging port. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at Rs 1,34,900 for the base 128GB model and the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at Rs 1,59,900 for the base 256GB model in India. The phones will go on sale starting September 22nd. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the iPhone 15 series, and for all things tech, keep following Gadgets 360.